Hello. Welcome to this course, Canva for Profits. And in this program is basically about learning designing and profiting from designing using our Canva app. I'm going to run through this is a practical course, but there are some things you need to know that you can't know when you just go straight into practical. You need to learn the business side, the business consulting side of Canva. And today we are going to be starting with the mindset about making money, how to, how to turn simple designs into money. I'm going to give you the frameworks for everything so that you're going to get, um, you're going to have a very good land starting. So you may be asking yourself, what is Canva profit? Many people are so engrossed in the ability to design. But the truth is that if you don't see beyond design alone, then you cannot really make money from your Canva skill, your designing skill, and all. So, Canva profit is basically about three main things. Number one, how to convert, how to bring income from your creativity and not just your visuals. How to create high quality designs without expertise, and how to design branding, and how design can meet branding and business strategy. How you can position yourself as a visual consultant and which can bring strategic profit for you. Now, why Canva? Canva is very easy, it's user friendly, it's affordable. The free pro versions are very affordable and they're very, very good. Endless template, social media template, marketing, products, everything is there. No design skill needed. Anyone can actually use Canva for profits. Now, the Canva for profits mindset you should have is number one, you need to start thinking like a creator, not just a user. And you need to also have the consistency mindset more than just perfection, because regular outputs beats perfect designs. And you also need to have also need to understand that design is equal to communication. It's not just about creating random design. And you also need to know that every design can generate income for you. Now, setting up Canva accounts, it's very, very easy. There's a free plan and there's a pro plan. So let's go over to our Canva app. Let me go to our Canva app so that I can show you. This is the Canva app. This is the Canva landscape here. There's a free plan, there's a pro plan. So what I did recently before this class, I just renewed my pro subscription. So in your own, you can always see a free plan and a paid plan. That is it. So I don't want to. We are going to go back into this later, but I think the network is bad. But let's just continue. So the free plan, you have a basic template, limited storage, standard features. The pro plan, you have premium templates, magic resize, brand kit, background remover. These are one of the things that are equipped with the pro plan. Now, exploring Canva workspace, there's the home page, there's the editor page, there's the project page, and we also have the visual view. We have the desktop view and we have the mobile view. So you can see it here. So this is the I think network is bad, but I think next class will have a very, very better network system. So this is just the home place, and this is where you search for templates. If you want to design anything, book cover, letters, cover letter, this is where you do there. This is the home page. This is the search bar. This is the anything you want, templates, projects. This is the brand, Canva AI, and these are some of the things I have done in the past for myself. So these are templates, Canva AI, whereby you ask Canva for anything and it does it for you. So with that being said, let's get straight into business in the next class. So but before then, templates are just pre-made. Understand that templates are pre-made tools for you to start with, and it's very, very good for beginners. The tools you should master, essential tools you should master is elements, the shapes. Now, what is element? Elements are shapes, icon, text, uploads, background, grids, and all that. You're going to find them in the design framework when you want to design. Let me stop speaking English. Now, what am I saying here? Let me open this design. But this class network has issues. Well, maybe I will not be talking about it here, but these are the things you just need to know for you to be badass in Canva. Elements, text, uploads, backgrounds, and grids. So we'll just end this class with our quick win with Canva. Create your first design if you have not done that. Maybe a quote or an Instagram post, then share and download instantly. Start building momentum. No time. The next step set. The next step is what you need to set your foundation. Canva is very simple. Profits require strategy, and mindset is equal to success. Your foundation is established already. The next thing you need to do right now is let's get into building a brand foundation with Canva. With that being said, see you in the next video.